Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Dear viewers, today in this captivating video I invite you on a journey into the world of stunning nail designs that will ignite your imaginations and inspire your inner arts. Join me as I explore an era of mesmerizing nail decoration, showcasing unique and trendy styles that will leave you breathless. Dear viewers, so gather your nail polish collection and join me on this extraordinary journey of creativity and self-expression. Get ready to transform your nails into stunning work of art with our incredible nail designs ideas. So dear viewers, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more captivating nail art contents. And your comments are also valuable for me. Let's embark on this fabulous adventure together. Dear friends, whether you are looking for inspiration for a special event or simply want to express your individuality, this video has something for everyone. With my helpful tips and tricks in this video, gain the confidence to experiment with the different nail shapes, length and colors, allow you to express your unique personality through your nails. So get ready for a showcasing of the nail decoration that will elevate your personal style to new heights. Dear viewers, explore the beauty of hand-painted nail art by this video, where intricate details and vibrant colors come together to create a miniature masterpiece. Dear friends, by this video, you discovered the magic of 3D nail embellishment, from delicate jumps to playful charm that add dimension and flair to your nails. Get ready to achieve these ideas and implementation on your nails. By this video, you can discover the latest nail trends that are taking the beauty industry by storm. Learn how to master the art of marble nails by this video. Thanks for watching. Please share it.